Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's September 10th, 2024. I just wanted to post an update on how things are going. There's probably not going to be very many videos in the near future. As I've mentioned before, Thea's been suffering from back pain for well over a month now and doing physical therapy, and it's coming along very slowly. And the other day I overdid it a bit much as well, so I'm laid up now with my back. Either laying flat or standing is all I can do. So just wanted to give you an update. When we recover, we'll be updating you and giving you more information as our physical abilities allow us. So I just wanted to give you an update. I really appreciate everyone's comments and questions, and so just to let you know, because I know people sometimes wonder, well, what the heck's going on if you don't post a video for a while. So just wanted to give you an update. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye now.